In a quiet room in Paris, pens moved across parchment, and an empire fell. The Treaty of Paris didn't just end the American Revolution. It reshaped Britain, birthed a new nation, and changed the balance of power across the world. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. After years of war, and the crushing defeat at Yorktown, Britain realized the American Revolution could no longer be won by force. The war was costly, unpopular at home, and global. France and Spain had joined the fight, stretching Britain's empire thin. The United States sent skilled diplomats, Benjamin Franklin, John Adams, and John Jay, to secure peace and recognition. In Paris, talks were tense. Americans negotiated directly with Britain, securing better terms than allies expected. Signed in 1783, the Treaty of Paris officially recognized the United States as an independent nation. The treaty granted vast territory, stretching to the Mississippi River, instantly making the U.S. a continental power. For the first time, a colony successfully broke from an empire, and was recognized, challenging monarchy and inspiring revolutions worldwide. The Treaty of Paris didn't just end a war, it launched a new global idea: nations could be built on consent, not crowns.